up a super modern look while maintaining comfortability in these sneakers by Skechers. You'll adore this mesh upper that not only gives you lots of breathability and a super modern look with its design, but also offers a lot of burst of color for a really cool look. You'll find that a classic lace-up closure allows you to customize the fit of this shoe, while some extra padding along the collar gives you a nice comfy feel. There is a pull tab at back the foot for easy on or off access, and you'll enjoy the fact that inside rests a breathable lining as well as a very well padded and contoured footbed that has podiatrist-certified arch support. You'll also enjoy the hyper-boost cushioning midsole that not only gives you a super on-trend chunky look, but gives you an ultra lightweight midsole with lots of shock absorption. You'll find that a hyper arc adapts to your stride to promote a smoother transition as you run along in these, and you'll love the fact that there is a Goodyear performance outsole that gives you lots of traction, stability, and durability. You can wear this shoe while you're working out or just to elevate your streetwear look this season.